Hey, it's Dan. Welcome back. You're watching iAllegedly, and today we've got a great one. We have the most comprehensive list of individual grants from around the country that's ever been put together. It's got everything. Before I get into it, please like this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, but most importantly, you've got to share this video. This is the video that's got to be shared with friends, family members, colleagues, people that you know that are hurting. This has got everything. The biggest requests right now are individual grants and how can I get help? How can my friends get help? Well, here it is. Now, before I get into it, there is no stimulus update right now because the stimulus package that the Senate and the House of Representatives are talking about right now have nothing to do with a stimulus check for the common person. So there will be maybe unemployment help, there will be help for the city that you live in, but who cares? So you've got to look for grants like this and get these resources and get on these right away. Please understand, these resources come and go very quickly. You've got to call these people. You've got to find out if you are eligible and get an application in right away. But please, once again, what's most important is share this video because there are people out there that are hurting that could use this information, and we want to get it to everybody, okay? So let's get into it. Now up first, the city of Houston and Harris County has announced a $1,200 stimulus grant. And this grant will get you cash if you have not gotten other programs. Now, this is ran through a company called Baker Ripley. They're going to handle this, but also Baker Ripley runs the rental assistance program. And the cool thing about the rental assistance program here in Houston is that they have it to where you can get 3 months with your rent, 3 months help with your rent from them. They will help tenants as well as the landlords. So if you are a tenant or a landlord in the Houston or Harris County area, you can get rental assistance through Baker Ripley. Plus, they've got this brand new $1,200 grant program that you can reach out to them for. So if you know of anybody that's in the Houston area, go out and get this $1,200 because they're giving it out. So good luck to you. And if you need help, get it. It's there. Up next is the Talon County, Wyoming grant. This will help individuals if you need money for rent or for assistance. It is out there, and you can get up to $750 a month from Talon County, Wyoming. Good luck to you. Up next is rental assistance in the King County area. A lot of people have asked for this in the Seattle area. How can I get rental assistance? And I found a great program. You can apply through December 4th. And again, if you see this beyond December 4th, look at this, contact them, see what other programs are available. You've got to ask, and they will give you rental assistance. So all these different cities are available. They've got the application right there. Fill it out, and good luck. Up next is the Holly Fund. If you are a service worker in the Richmond, Virginia area who has been sick or cannot work because of the pandemic, you could be eligible to get some money. So that's what the Holly Fund is for. You can get up to $750. You can apply for a friend, family member, whatever. But please share this with people in the Richmond, Virginia area that could be eligible to get this $750 from the Holly Fund. Good luck to you. For those of you that have seen my previous videos, I normally spend a little bit more time on each of these grants. Because there are so many in this video, I didn't want to make a 2-hour-long video. So we're spending a little less time, but the links are below in the description. But let's get back into it. Now up next is Northern Virginia Family Services. They are not processing emergency assistance applications, but they will help you with rental assistance and also the Pay It Forward loan program, where you can get a very low interest rate loan if you need assistance, but it covers all these different cities in Northern Virginia. So take a look at it, contact them, or share it with a friend or family member in the Northern Virginia area. Look at this little guy. But the programs are out there, guys. You got to look, okay? Here's a perfect example. Good luck to you. Now, for the people in Tennessee, here's the Tennessee Department of Human Services. They've got relief funds and relief applications. Then get you $500 to $1,000 based on the family size. Contact them. The link will be below. But you can get this money for immediate assistance. Good luck to you guys. Share it with your friends, family, and colleague members that are, in the Tennessee area. Look at all these different resources that they have. Now, the city of Hillsboro, Oregon, they have got programs for rental help. They've got rental assistance. They've got mortgage relief. They've got emergency housing. They've got food access to health care, mental health. This is a great utility assistance. Look at all the stuff that they've got. You just have to reach out to them. If you or anybody you know is in this area, share this. But again, use this as a guide for your own city. Look out and ask what they have within your own city limits. Up next is Massachusetts. Berkshire Taconic Community Foundation has got a community grant, neighbor to neighbor, where you can get up to $1,000 for assistance. They've got all these different programs. Here's all the different contacts within the charity. But this is an assistance program. If you or anybody you know is in the Massachusetts area, please take a look at this. They've got a simple application, and they've got a real simple grant program. It's how you apply. Good luck to you guys. Up next is the Greater Union County chapter of the United Way. This area in New Jersey has got a great program to help individuals and families get through this difficult time. They've got everything from rental assistance and ways for you to get help. So take a look at this. The link will be below, and you can get money through their emergency fund. Up next is another city that people have asked quite a bit for, and that is the Boston area. There is a rental relief program in the city of Boston, and they can help you. As long as you're not part of a rent subsidy program, they've got a program that can get you rental assistance. If you, friends, family, anybody you know is in the Boston area, give them this information. I'll have the link below in the description of the video, and you can get a hold of them, and they will help you with one-time federal payments. They've got applications right in the site in several different languages. Take a look at it. Good luck. Hopefully you guys will get this cash right away. Now, more from Massachusetts. Here is rental assistance, emergency resources, food, paying bills, support services, medical. You've got all these different things, housing. This is all these different links that you'll be able to get to. Take a look at this. You've got all these different resources in the state of Massachusetts. Share this with your friends. Good luck to you guys. Here's a military relief fund for the state of Indiana. And they can give you assistance, fairly simple application. The link will be below. Good luck to you guys. If you or anybody you know is a veteran, they can get a couple months worth of bills help in the state of Indiana. Now, people have asked for Florida. Here is 211. You can dial, you can text, you can chat. They've got all these different Sarasota, Manatee, and DeSoto counties that you can get assistance and individual help for. The link will be below. Good luck to you guys. Up next is the state of Delaware, which is another one that people have asked for. You can go through the Riverside Relief Fund, and you can get up to $250 a month for aid to buy food, groceries, whatever you need, okay? They will give you a debit card. It's absolutely an amazing program. And if you or anybody you know is in the Delaware area, have them apply for this. Send this link out. Now, with an extensive list like this, the one thing that you have to do as well is you've got to search your own city, your own county, and your own state. Okay, the other thing is local churches and community groups. You've got to, your church, your synagogue, your temple, your mosque, whatever you're into, ask them if they've got any assistance programs. I drove by a church in Huntington Beach last week, and they had a food drive, and I said, oh, is this just for the people in the parish? No, it's for everybody. So you'd be surprised. There is help out there. Whether you're a member of these churches or not, of these groups, there's help out there. You've just got to look for it. Now, let's get back into it. Now, up next is in Santa Clara County in California. There is assistance for rental and food assistance. They've got this program through the Sacred Heart Community Service Center. You can get access to all these different resources. The link will be below. Here's all the different phone numbers. Great program. Again, another one in California, the Napa Valley Community Disaster Relief Fund has got money and assistance programs that they can help you with. If you or anybody you know is in that area, please contact them. The links are here, the emails are here, and you could get some help. So please share this with your friends and family that may need this in the Napa Valley area. Now here's a program called RISE where you can help students get connected with different public resources. So if you know of any students that may be on their own and they could use some help, this is a great website that can get them connected with different people from around the country to get them resources. Share this with any student you may know that could use this. Up next is help for restaurant workers in the Louisville, Kentucky area. You can get $500 if you have worked in the restaurant industry in the Louisville area over the last 6 months. Now, take a look at this. It's through Apron. They've got all these different programs. They've given out a bunch of money, sponsored by a bunch of great people. Take a look at this. The link will be below. Application, I looked at it, fairly simple. If you or anybody who knows working in that industry, they can get $500 right away. Up next is emergency boarding grants. If you or anybody you know has a dog or a cat that's sick and needs to be boarded for a while, contact the people at Red Rover. Up next is a grant program for nurses who can get rent help, mortgage help. If you know of any nurse who's on the front line of this whole thing, turn this on to them because they can get this money, and fairly simple program, but it's for our most important workers, the nurses. Here's another disabled veterans grant. If you know of anybody that's been affected by the pandemic, they can get another $250 if they are a veteran. Take a look at this, share it. Now, up next are the national resources. This is one that I've talked about before, which is absolutely fantastic. It's 211.org. They've got everything from food, rental assistance, disaster assistance, and they have all these different resources in every state and every county of the country. All you've got to do is search, and you can get help, whether it's healthcare, money for food, rent, utility assistance, your cell phone bill. They've got ways of getting you help that other places just don't have. But the cool thing is they also have resources that I may not be able to find. And you need to punch in your city. Oh, I live in a small town, Dan. You don't understand. We don't have things like that. Yeah, you do. You've got food access. You've got access to health care. You've got access to rental assistance and money. And all you've got to do is punch your information in and take a look. Good luck. Now, up next is findhelp.org. Put in your zip code. Look at all these things: food, housing, goods, transit, health, money, care, education. It's got 3,500 programs in Costa Mesa right now. Punch in your zip code, take a look at what's available. You'll be amazed. Up next is the national website for the United Way. Now, the United Way works with a lot of different local charities, and they help people all the time get food, get money, get rental assistance. Take a look at this and use this resource. Put in your zip code, select a location. They've got offices around the country that they can help you with. Share this with your friends and family, and use the national link to find something local to help you. Now here's a site called Rent Assistance, and the link is set up to where you can search any city in the country, but they've got all these different rental programs within your general vicinity. If you look to the right of the screen, you're going to see all the different cities that have different rental assistance programs. And here's all the stuff within the city of Irvine, California, where I live. Absolutely amazing. There's a huge, huge amount of different support, and this is free. So take a look at this, share it with your friends and family members, and punch in your zip code and find out the resources near you. That last site got me thinking about my own city, Irvine, California. What programs are available in Irvine? Here they've got financial aid, food pantries, rental assistance right in Irvine, California. Now, again, search your own city. They've got phone numbers. They've got contacts. You have to reach out and ask questions. Where can I find rental assistance? Where can I find food? They will tell you. Good luck to you. Now, up next is a site called Need Help Paying Bills. This is a site that is ran through advertisers. But if you look to the left of the screen, there is a tremendous amount of resources within your own city and county that they've set up to where you can search and get all this help. This is my area. Look at all this help in Southern California. Crazy. Now, yeah, they make money on ads. Who cares? Okay? But look at that. If you look to the left of the screen, look at all those different things. Rent help, electrical bills. Good luck. Now, the final site is Veterans Inc. This is a site that can refer veterans to get help and assistance. Take a look at this. Refer it to any veterans you know. Good luck to you guys. Well, there it is. That's truly the most extensive list of all the programs that are out there right now in the country. Please reach out to these people. If they cannot help you or if you are not eligible, ask them how you or your friends can get help. Okay? You need to search for this. This help is not coming to you. You've got to go to it. If you would like to participate in our iAllegedly Christmas tree, we're having a Christmas tree with everything you send us. Whatever you send us, it's going in the tree, and we're going to put it in the video and share it with the whole world. And here's the address that you can send all that to. And but most importantly, guys, be helpful, be kind to one another, and understand that people are having a very difficult time right now. The stimulus package and the talk that they've done for the last 6 months is not coming together anytime soon. So we've got to help each other and help ourselves. Good luck to you, and God bless America, and we will all get through this. Good luck.